Hello, my name is Fiona, and I'm a certified teacher and a Praxis coach with Study.com. Are you planning to take the Elementary Education Content Knowledge Test 5018? This is a multi-subject exam. These problems will cover the subtopic of world history. Let's review some of the types of questions you may encounter on the exam. Let's jump in. Problem number 1. What plant did the Egyptians use to make an early form of paper? Reed plant, papyrus, cotton, corn. Let's look at what papyrus is. The ancient Egyptians used the stalks of a reed called papyrus to make a kind of paper. Papyrus is also the name of the paper made from this plant. Papyrus is a Nile grass, an aquatic plant that belongs to the sedge family. Sedge is a grass-like plant that grows in wet ground. The word paper is derived from the word papyrus. So let's review our answers. Reed plant, and while papyrus is a reed plant, that is too general, so we can cross that out. We know the answer is papyrus and not cotton and not corn. Problem number 2. What were the Peloponnesian Wars? Conflicts between the Greek city-states of Athens and Sparta over influence on the Peloponnesian Peninsula and across the region. Wars begun by Peloponnesian, a Greek ruler, against the city-state of Troy for control of the trade in the Mediterranean. A political contest in Rome between leading factions of the Peloponnesian family that began after a leading family member married without her father's consent. Or a series of battles fought in the Peloponnesian region of the Roman Empire between Roman armies and barbarian hordes. Let's look at the actual history. The Peloponnesian Wars were fought between Sparta and Athens in ancient Greece. Sparta and Athens were the most powerful city-states during that period, 431 to 405 BCE. This war resulted in the shifting of power from Athens to Sparta. Athens lost control of the Delian League, which made Sparta the most powerful of the city-states in that region. So we can now very easily eliminate all the answers about Peloponnesia being a person, a family, or a region in the Roman Empire. And it is definitely conflicts between the Greek city-states of Athens and Sparta over influence on the Peloponnesian Peninsula and across the region. Problem number 3. To which of the following does the Iron Curtain refer? The political division between Eastern communist countries and Western democratic countries. The shift from military force to diplomacy between Eastern and Western countries. The industrialization of the military complex in the USSR, or the use of iron in military weaponry produced in the USSR and surrounding countries. Let's look at the definition of the Iron Curtain. This is a term that refers to the division between the Europe under Western influence, freedom and democracy, and the Europe under the influence of the USSR, communist dictatorship. The USSR was trying to prevent its citizens and citizens of its satellite states from contact with the West and its values, ideas, and policies. During this time, the United States was seeking to contain the spread of communism. So the answer is absolutely the political division between Eastern communist countries and Western democratic countries, and we can eliminate all the other answers. I hope I was able to answer your questions so that you now have a better idea of the types of world history questions you can expect. Please remember to like and subscribe to this channel so that with Study.com's help, you will feel confident and prepared on exam day. Bye for now.